London is one of the biggest cities in the world. What does it take to build a massive infrastructure project tunneling through and under this city when the possibility to have everybody stop what they're doing doesn't exist? Today we're taking a look at the story behind the construction of the Jubilee Line, a tale filled with ambition, setbacks and triumphs. The initial idea for the Jubilee Line dates back to the 1970s. Initially proposed as the Fleet Line, its purpose was to relieve congestion on other lines and connect new areas of London. However, financial constraints and political changes delayed its progress. In 1979, the first section of the line opened, but it was not until the 1990s that the full vision began to take shape. By then, the Jubilee Line had transformed from a practical transit solution to a symbol of modern engineering. One of the biggest challenges in constructing the Jubilee Line was securing funding. The original budget was exceeded multiple times, leading to public outcry and political debates. Many wondered if the line would ever be completed. The project faced constant scrutiny and criticism, causing several delays. Did you know that at one point the project was nearly abandoned due to lack of funds? It took intense lobbying and strategic partnerships with private entities to get the financial backing needed to continue. The construction of the Jubilee Line wasn't just a financial and political headache, it was an engineering marvel fraught with difficulties. The line had to pass through densely populated areas, requiring innovative tunneling techniques. Engineers faced significant challenges with ground conditions, including waterlogged soil and ancient infrastructure. One of the most remarkable feats was the construction of Canary Wharf station. The station had to be built in a dock, requiring the water to be pumped out and kept dry while construction continued. This Herculean task showed the ingenuity and determination of the engineers involved. If you're enjoying these behind the scenes insights, make sure to like, comment and subscribe for more fascinating stories about engineering marvels. In the 1990s, the Jubilee Line extension became one of the largest engineering projects in the whole of Europe. The extension added 11 new stations and connected previously underserved areas of London. It was a project of immense scale and complexity. One of the standout features of the extension was the introduction of platform screen doors at the stations. These doors enhanced safety and efficiency, preventing accidents and controlling airflow. It was the first time such technology was used on the London Underground, setting a new standard for future projects. Despite its success, the Jubilee Line project was not without controversy. Delays, cost overruns, and construction mishaps plagued the project. Critics argued that the money could have been better spent elsewhere, while supporters highlighted the long-term benefits of improved transportation infrastructure. One of the most infamous incidents was the collapse of a tunnel section near the Heathrow Express tunnel. This accident caused significant delays and increased costs, fueling the public skepticism about the project's feasibility. Today, the Jubilee Line is an integral part of London's transport network. It has spurred economic development in areas like Canary, Wharf and Stratford, transforming them into bustling commercial hubs. The line has also improved connectivity, making it easier for millions of people to travel across the city. Behind every massive infrastructure project are the people who make it happen. The Jubilee Line is no exception. Thousands of workers, from engineers to labourers, contributed to its construction. Their stories often go untold, but they are the true heroes of this monumental achievement. Take for example John, a tunnelling expert who spent countless nights underground, ensuring that the tunnels were safe and secure. His dedication and expertise were critical to the project's success. Or consider Sarah, a project manager who navigated the bureaucratic maze to keep this project on track. Their stories remind us that behind the concrete and steel, it's human effort that brings such projects to life. The success of the Jubilee Line demonstrates the importance of investing in infrastructure despite the challenges and controversies. It shows how such projects can have a lasting positive impact on a city and its residents. Looking ahead, the Jubilee Line continues to evolve. Plans for further extensions and upgrades are in the works, ensuring that the line remains a vital part of London's transport system. The lessons learned from its construction will undoubtedly inform future projects, helping to avoid past mistakes and build even better infrastructure. Thank you for joining me on this journey through the history of the Jubilee Line. If you found this story intriguing, make sure to like, comment and subscribe to our channel for more deep dives into engineering and history.